This website is bar chart. We can check the most active ETF options. The first one is SPY, which has a daily option volume 3 million. This is for a single day. There is another ETF for the same SP 500 index, VOO SP 500, but its daily volume is only 790, which is much less than SPY. We can use this list to find a good symbol to trade, such as QQQ, SLV, IWM. If the daily option volume is greater than 10,000, it is a relatively liquid option. If the daily volume is less than 1,000, you may not be able to get a good fill. Let's say we have chosen SPY to trade options, but inside SPY there are many options. How can we choose which one to trade? We can see that there are many weekly, quarterly, and monthly options. If the option does not have a text behind, it is a monthly option. So here, this is a monthly option and this is a weekly option. If you check the bid-ask spread for the monthly option here, there is only 2 cents between the bid price and the ask price. But for the weekly option, the spread is larger. Generally, monthly options are more liquid than weekly options. For this monthly option, it is easy to get filled at the middle price, 4.82. But for the less liquid weekly option, it is harder to be filled at the middle price. When we trade options, we also need to consider the volume and the open interest. The volume is the number of daily traded options. The open interest is the currently open contracts. If we open to sell or open to buy a contract, then it is considered an open contract. We can see the volume and the open interest of the strike 425 is much higher than the numbers below, which is for 426. It means that although these two strikes have the same bid-ask spread, just 2 cents between these two and 2 cents between these two, but the first one is easier to fill and easier to get a better price. When we need to find the liquid options, we can check this website. Monthly options are generally more liquid than weekly options. I prefer to trade the monthly options. Volume and open interest are 2 indicators of the liquidity. The higher, the better. Pick the options of smaller bid-ask spread to trade. If you like this video, remember to click the like button and subscribe.